Good afternoon, my dear students. Today we will go to the arithmetic progression question number 16. Question number 16 is tell us that determine the AP whose third term is 16 and seventh term exceed AP term by 12. है determine the AP हामीले के निकाल्नु पर्छ arithmetic progression whose whose third term is, that means whose third term is 16. Third term is a plus 2b equal to how much? 16. That is the equation number 1. And then second sentence is tell us that a second condition 7 term exceed is, that means second condition in second case what should be given is 7 term is, that is means equal to fifth term by how much? Exceeded fifth term by how much? 12. And then a second formula is a plus how much? 6d is equal to a5 formula a plus 4d plus 12. Then a is a cancel. AP is not so given, then A is a cancel. Now 6d equal to 4d plus 12. Then 6d minus 4d is equal to 12. And 6d minus 4d is a 2d is equal to how much? 12. Then d is equal to 12 divided by 2. Then d is equal to 6. How we got a direct value of cos square d value 5. Now what should be given on here? That means a plus 2d is equal to how much? 16 is given in equation 1. Then our value of d 6. हमने d को value यहाँ equation कतिमा त 1 मा के गर्नु substitute गर्नु. Then a plus 2 into d means 6 is equal to 16. A plus 6 to the 12 is equal to 16. A is equal to 16 minus 12 and A is equal to how much? 4. त्यसो भए हामीले कसको भ्यालु पायो भन्दाखेरि A को भ्यालु 4 पायो अनि D को भ्यालु कति पायो त? The value of D is how much? 6. And then after that, we have to find out. Question is tell us that find determine the AP. Now, A के value भयो, D के value. Directly we will go to the second term is A plus D. Our formula A is how much? 4. 4 plus D means 6. That is second term is 10. Now, we have to find out the third term also. हामीले AP मा के निकाल्नु पर्छ? First term, second term and third term. Now third term is equal to our formula is a plus 2d. A means 4 plus 2 into d means kati tha? 6. Then 4 plus 6 to the 12. 12 plus 4 is kati tha? 16. Therefore, at last we have to write in conclusion. Therefore, required arithmetic progression APB first term कति आयो त भन्दाखेरि first term 4b second term कति आयो त भन्दाखेरि 10 third term 16 comma dot it is our required AP. हामीले के भयो त हाम्रो AP थियो. So we will complete the question number 16. Then अब we will go to the question number 17. Question number 17 मा अब के दिएको छ भन्दाखेरि question number 17. Question number 17. अब question number 17 मा के भनेको छ? Find the 20 terms from the last term of the AP. हामीलाई के दिएको छ भन्दाखेरि एउटा arithmetic progression is given. Arithmetic progression B 3 8 13 comma dot and 200 and how much? 53. Then firstly अब के छ भन्दाखेरि फर्स्ट टर्म सेकेन्ड टर्म थर्ड टर्म भयो. यो चाहिँ हाम्रो लास्ट टर्म भयो. तर हामीलाई कहाँबाट क्वेशनले भन्दैछ भन्दाखेरि फाइन्ड द 20 टर्म फ्रम द लास्टबाट गर्दाखेरि यो फर्स्ट टर्म छैन है, फर्स्ट टर्म सेकेन्ड टर्म थर्ड टर्म लास्टबाट काउन्ट गर्दाखेरि हाम्रो 20 टर्म चाहिँ कति हुन्छ भनेर क्वेशनले सोधेको छ। त्यसैले अब हामीले यहाँ के गर्नु पर्यो भन्दाखेरि है फर्स्ट टर्म चाहिँ कति हो भन्दाखेरि अब यहाँबाट यहाँदेखि कन्टिन्यू नम्बर छ है, देन सल्युसन वी हैव टु राइट आवर फर्स्ट टर्म इज कति त यहाँ भन्दाखेरि 30 लेख्नु एन्ड सेकेन्ड टर्म इज 8. Then we have to find out the common difference, that is d is equal to formula a2 minus a1, and then value of a2 is kati the a2 is 8 minus 13 is equal to kati the भयो भन्दाखेरि है minus कति आयो 5 आयो d को भ्यालु। हामीले के निकाल्नु त 20 टर्म फ्रम द लास्ट। त्यसैले है A20 is equal to कति from the last भनेको छ A20 formula A plus कति त 19D है, A plus 19D, and then है अब यसको भ्यालु कति हो त भन्दाखेरि A भ्यालु इज हाम्रोमा कति त अघि 13 प्लस 19 है 19, तर हामीले के गर्नुपर्छ भन्दाखेरि अब यहाँबाट हेर्दाखेरि यो फर्स्ट टर्म भयो है, एक्चुअली यो को हो त भन्दाखेरि अब हामीले यो डी निकाल्नुको लागि मात्रै हामीले फर्स्ट टर्म सेकेन्ड टर्म भनेर मान्यो, तर एक्चुअल हाम्रो लास्टबाट हेर्दा यो 253 को आयो त फर्स्ट टर्म। Then we have to write in place of a 253 plus 19 into what is 5. Okay. Now 253 minus 5 9 the 45 carry 4 5 1 the 5 5 plus 4 95. Then हामीले के गर्नु त सबट्र्याक्ट गर्नु है, 13 minus 5 is 8, 14 minus 9 is 14 minus 9, 14 मा 9 घटाउँदा कति हुन्छ 5, यहाँ कति रह्यो 1 आयो। त्यसैले हामीले के कुरा बुझ्छ भन्दाखेरि यता लास्टबाट काउन्टिङ गर्दै गर्दै आउँदाखेरि 20 टर्म चाहिँ फर्स्ट टर्म सेकेन्ड टर्म थर्ड टर्म हुँदै हुँदै आउँदाखेरि चाहिँ 158 चाहिँ कति पर्दो रहेछ त है, 158 20 टर्ममा पर्छ। In such a way, we have to do in such a type of question. Then we will go to the question number 18. Our question number 18 ma what should be given on there? Question number 18 mostly it will be given in the exam also. In this year's question number 17 is given. Then we will go to the question number 18. Last question is our question number 18 for today. The sum of the fourth and eighth terms of AP is 24. Question is tell us that the sum of the fourth term sum is plus fourth term and eighth term is how much? कति हेरे त 24. Then first term A4 formula A plus 3D plus A8 formula A plus 7D is equal to kati ta 24, and then A plus A is how much? 2A plus 3D plus 7D is a 10D. 10D is equal to 24. Now, if you divide it all on the both side by 2, if you divide on the both side by 2, then we can got kata and the A plus 2 5 the 10 5D is equal to what is that 12. It is our equation 1. And then second sentence is tell us that the sum of the 6 and 10 term. Second condition or second sentence is tell us that the sum of the 6 term plus kati the 10 term is equal to how much of 44. And then this basic term formula is a plus 5d plus a plus how much of 90 is equal to 44. Then a plus a is a 2a plus 9 plus 4 is 14d is equal to 44. If you divide it on the both side by 2, that is दुईटै साइडमा 2 ले डिवाइड जान्छ भने यसलाई रिड्युस गर्दा हुन्छ. And then a plus 7d is equal to 22. It is our equation number 2. Now then we have to solve equation 1 and 2. See? So now solving equation 1 and 2, we can get अब हामीले कति पाउँछ भन्दाखेरि इक्वेसन 1 and 2 गर्दा इक्वेसन 1 मा a plus 5d is equal to 12 equation 1 and equation 2 a plus 7d is equal to 22 equation number 2. Now we have to solve it by elimination method. Then we have to change your sign. A plus a and minus a is cancel out. Then 7 minus 5, greater sign is a minus. 7 minus 5 is a 2d. Greater sign is a minus. 22 minus 12 is 10. Then minus minus is a cancel. Then d is equal to 10 by 2 and d is equal to how much? 5. This is why we d को value कति पाएको 5. Now again putting the value of d is equal to 5 in equation number 1. अब equation 1 मा कति छ भन्दाखेरि हाम्रोमा in equation 1 what should be given on here equation 1 मा a plus 5d is equal to कति दिएको छ त 12 दिएको छ र a plus 5 into 5 is equal to 12. A plus 5 5 are 25 is equal to 12. A is equal to 12 minus 25. 25. A is equal to katita minus 30. This is the value. Therefore, at last, the question is telling us that find the arithmetic. Find the first three terms. First term bio. Now load the second term is a plus d. A value is how much? Minus 13 plus d means 5. Then minus katita 8 by the second term. And third term formula is a plus katita 2d. A plus 2d. And then a value is minus 13 plus 2 into 5 minus 13 plus 10 is equal to minus 3. Therefore, our required arithmetic progression B कति गयो त फर्स्ट टर्म कति आयो हाम्रोमा फर्स्ट टर्म minus 13 है फर्स्ट टर्म इज कति त फर्स्ट टर्म दैट इज a is minus 13 and second term is minus 8 5 ले घट्दैछ third term is कति त minus 3 है is our क्वेशन ले के भन्छ भन्दा खाली कतिवटा टर्म मात्र निकाल्नु तीनटा टर्म है it is our required solution. Then you have to do yourself question number 19 and 20, question number 19 and 20 yourself, and then from tomorrow onwards we will go to the next topic. Next topic, sum of the first n term of an AP. Sum of first n term of an AP. It should be, we have to know the formula of Sn. Thank you for today.